Hey Jeep lovers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your ultimate destination for honest, hands-on reviews of the best automotive gear on Amazon. Today, we're diving into the world of car vacuums because keeping your ride spotless is just as important as the next off-road adventure. We've tested and compared the top 5 best car vacuums to help you find the perfect one for your needs, from the powerful BLACK+DECKER dustbuster to the ultra-modern Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. So, buckle up, grab your favorite cup of coffee, and let's explore which car vacuum truly sucks in the best way possible. Number 5. Handheld Vacuum Cordless. The Handheld Vacuum Cordless Black is a compact and efficient cleaner built for car, home, and office use. With dual suction modes and a HEPA filtration system, it's designed to capture fine dust, pet hair, and debris that often accumulate in car interiors. Its lightweight and ergonomic build makes it easy to maneuver around seats and dashboards without hand fatigue. This rechargeable handheld vacuum runs on a high-capacity lithium battery, offering quick cleanup sessions with strong suction consistency. The HEPA filter is both removable and washable, ensuring long-term usability. Owners appreciate its quiet performance, quick recharging, and multi-surface adaptability. It handles crumbs, pet hair, and dirt with ease. However, since it's a mini vacuum, it's not meant for large debris or extended cleaning sessions. Still, for daily vehicle upkeep, it's one of the best value options available on Amazon for under $50. Number 4. EYYA Handheld Cordless. The EYYA Handheld Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner delivers an impressive 15,000 PSI of suction power, making it perfect for drivers who want a powerful yet compact tool. This 4-in-1 device doubles as a vacuum, air duster, and inflator, giving it more utility than most competitors in its class. The LED light feature adds visibility in dark or hard-to-reach areas, an absolute must for cleaning under seats or inside storage compartments. Designed with portability in mind, it's lightweight, cordless, and can be recharged using USB. The set includes multi-nozzle attachments for different surfaces, from vents to upholstery. Many users praise how it performs on both car and home tasks, such as cleaning desks or keyboards. The filter system is reusable and easy to wash, keeping maintenance simple and cost-effective. While some reviewers mention that it's best for smaller cleanups, its strong suction and sleek design make it an excellent mid-range choice for everyday vehicle care. Number 3. Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex sets a new standard for portable car vacuums with its astonishing 19,000 PSI suction power, ideal for deep cleaning carpets, seats, and even stubborn pet hair. Despite its slim and compact build, this 4-in-1 device functions as both a vacuum and air duster, giving you total control for every cleaning scenario, from dashboards to trunk corners. Equipped with 2 suction modes, users can switch between Eco and Max depending on the mess level. The Type-C fast charging and long battery life make it a great option for extended car detailing sessions. Its metallic finish and ergonomic design not only look premium, but also make it easy to handle during longer cleaning jobs. Reviewers on Amazon frequently praise its quiet operation, strong suction, and easy filter maintenance, saying it's one of the best premium mini vacuums for both cars and home offices. Number 2. KMM Handheld. The KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool built for serious auto enthusiasts. With a 9,000 PSI suction power and 120-watt high-performance motor, it efficiently lifts dirt, sand, crumbs, and pet hair from car seats and floors. What makes it stand out is its 2-in-1 functionality. It's both a vacuum cleaner and an air duster, helping you blow debris from tight crevices or vents before vacuuming. Its LED light helps illuminate dark areas under seats or dashboards, ensuring no spot goes unnoticed. The vacuum includes multiple nozzles, including a crevice tool and brush nozzle, making it adaptable for all surfaces, from dashboards to trunk corners. It's lightweight and cordless, making it easy to maneuver inside compact car interiors, and the USB-C fast charging allows quick recharges even during long trips. According to user feedback, this vacuum shines in quick cleanups and portability. However, it's best for light to medium messes rather than heavy-duty detailing. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER dustbuster. The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Advanced Clean CHV 1410L is one of the most trusted cordless vacuums on the market, perfect for quick car cleanups and small home messes. Powered by a strong lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent suction and holds a charge for up to 18 months, ideal for vehicle owners who don't clean every day. The rotating slim nozzle easily reaches tight spots between car seats, and the flip-up brush lifts stubborn dirt from mats and upholstery. Users love its lightweight design and easy-to-empty dirt bowl, making cleaning both effortless and mess-free. The translucent bowl helps monitor when it's time to empty, and the washable filter ensures cost efficiency over time. While it's not meant for deep detailing, it's perfect for maintaining cleanliness in your car, garage, or even home surfaces. Thanks for watching this video on Adventure Jeep. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our next off-road gear test or car accessory review. You'll find all the Amazon links to these vacuums in the description below. Make sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Until next time, keep your Jeep clean, your adventures wild, and your spirit unstoppable. This is Adventure Jeep, signing off, where every drive begins with passion and ends with dirt.